is my BOE. The blowout penstemon is the scientific name. The scientific name for the blowout penstemon is Penstemon hadeum. The family is Scrophularis, and the genus is Penstemon. It is commonly known in Nebraska, but is found in certain places in Wyoming. This plant is a eudicot and an angiosperm. The plant has a milky blue color with a waxy cuticle, pale purple leaves, and alternating leaf pattern with one central stalk. They usually are found in sandy areas. They are found in sandy areas because they are an uncompetitive plant. So where it grows, there is few to no vegetation. The plant is endangered. It is endangered due to fires. People are trying to control and prevent fires to keep this plant and many others from going extinct. Colorado butterfly plant. The Colorado butterfly plant is a member of the evening primrose family. Members of this family are distinguished by having flowers and 4 petals that are fused at the base into a slender tube situated above the seed-producing stem. The Colorado butterfly plant is a perennial plant. Typical plants are 1.5 to 2 feet tall, with leaves over 1.5 inches long. The plant is commonly found in southeastern Wyoming, north-central Colorado, and extreme western Nebraska. It is found in moist areas or in grasslands. Colorado butterfly plant has red-tipped anthers and an exerted stigma. It has no other use to humans besides producing oxygen, and flooding is a threat to the Colorado butterfly plant, and so is other vegetation because it comes in and takes over their areas. Desert yellowhead. Desert yellowhead is a perennial herb with leafy stems up to 12 inches in height. Flower heads consist of 4 to 6 yellow disc flowers crowned at the top of the stem. The plant occurs in shallow, wind excavated hollow with shallow, loamy soils and few vegetation. The plant is endangered. The main threat to the plant is potential resource extraction, such as uranium mining or oil and gas. Other threats include direct disturbance from things like using back roads and trampling. The plant usually grows in dirt or dry areas. It can go a long time away from water. Ute lady tresses. Ute lady tresses is a perennial orchid 8 to 20 inches tall. The white or ivory flowers clustered into a spike arrangement at the top of the stem. Ute lady tresses are more likely to bloom from late July through August. However, it may bloom in early July or still be flower as late as early October, depending on location and climate conditions. Ute lady tress is native to moist soils near wetland, meadows, springs, lakes, and perennial streams where it colonizes early successional bar points or sandy edges. Ute lady tresses are usually found in gravel or sandy areas. Ute lady tresses typically occur in small, scattered groups found primarily in areas where vegetation is relatively open. Many orchards take 5 to 10 years to reach reproductive maturity. Reproductively mature plants do not flower every year. The white bark pine. White bark pine is a candidate for listing under the ESA. White bark pine is a 5-needled plant that is typically 16 to 66 feet tall with a rounded or irregularly spreading crown shape. When located in relatively dense stands of conifers, white bark pines tend to grow as tall as single-stem trees. In open, more exposed sites, trees frequently have multiple stems. Dark brown to purple seed cones grow at the outer ends of the upper branches and are 2 to 3 inches long. The presence of the whitebark pine promotes increased biodiversity and contributes to critical ecosystem functions. Whitebark pine is whitebark pine is frequently the first conifer to establish after disturbances, such as wildfires. Whitebark pine also provides highly nutritious seeds for numerous species of birds and mammals. Major threats to whitebark pine include mortality from disease caused by non-native white pine blister rust, predation by native mountain pine beetles, climate change, habitat loss from past and ongoing fire suppression activities, and combined negative effects of these individual threats. But people are trying to prevent fires to protect this tree. And there's my citations. Thank you. Bye.